Welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and potatoes are such a versatile ingredient. We've mashed them, made gnocchi, French fried them, but today we're gonna make a soup. So get ready for a vegan potato soup. Let's dive in. Get your cutting boards ready, cause we got some slicing to do. 2 onions, 3 carrots, 4 ribs of celery, and 7 peeled potatoes to be exact. Cut all those to your desired soup size. Get out a large pot and start melting some vegan butter before adding the onions, carrots, celery, and garlic to the mix. Sauté them until the onions are translucent. Now pour in some almond milk, veggie broth, and the star of the show, the potatoes. Mix that on the heat until it begins to boil. Add a couple bay leaves and let that simmer covered for 30 minutes. Once the potatoes can be easily stabbed with a fork, bust out your trusty blender. Add half the pot to the blender and fire up until it's creamy. Add the blended soup back to the pot, give it a good mix, and taste test to see if it needs any salt or pepper. The taste test is coming back great, so let's plate this dish. Now this is warming me up just from holding it. I love this soup. It is super creamy and delicious, and I didn't add a lot of spice so we can really let all those vegetable flavors pop. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite soups in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
Babe, my eyes are killing me. I can't see anything.